moisturizing, brightening, elevating, establishing products. I'm excited. I cannot help myself. I pay for it, I pay for delivery fee, I pay for e-levy. What's up, lovelies, and welcome to today's video. You guys, you have been missed, and as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be unboxing a skincare product that I'm not unfamiliar with, but I'm just excited because this time I get to try an extra, I get to try extra products in this particular range. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So the product is the Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Brightening and Anti-Aging Skincare Series. This is the 5-piece set for the face, and it's originally a Pakistani product that has found its way into Africa. This product became viral last year, the latter part of last 2 years and the last year. And I know that because when I used to sell skincare products, I was selling this as well, and all my customers really loved it. And personally, I was also trying it. I tried the foaming cleanser. If you watch some of my previous skincare videos, like morning routine videos and evening routine, you would have seen the Dr. Rashel. You would have seen the Dr. Rashel cleanser. Yeah, the anti-aging cleanser. I used to use it and I really loved it. But then there was a falling out because I do not know why. But right now my skin is doing something. So my skin, like my personality, gets tired of things very easily. It gets tired of the same old things over and over again. So the products that I'm using right now, I'm just not seeing anything. My products have now become like a maintenance product, and I've also realized that the face cream that I use, which is the Macari Carotonic face cream, it's kind of reacting with my face. I'm getting really bad breakouts. I don't know, because the makeup, maybe people know it's gonna see it, but I'm getting really bad breakouts on my forehead. I'm getting rashes. My skin doesn't feel good as it usually does. So I had to look for something, and then I came across this particular Instagram store, Mercy and Paper Cosmetics. I buy from them a lot. I'm like an OG customer. I buy from them for the longest of time. So when I saw that they had the Dr. Rashel complete face set, I was like, okay, I need to try it, and I placed my order. I got it yesterday, and you guys, the whole of last night I was not able to sleep because my mind was on this, but like, I cannot wait for morning to come for me to make this video so I can open this box and see what is inside. I've already seen what's inside based on some videos that people have already put out, but you guys, I think I'm more excited about unboxing this product than I am about using the product. So let's just get it. So first, it has a seal wrap which came off because of delivery wahala. So I'm taking this out. I'm trying to control myself here, but like, I'm so excited. And when you open the box, I can already smell that. I can already smell the vitamin C, orangey, citrusy smell inside. I'm so, oh, wow. Okay, so when you open it, this is what you see. Hey guys, I'm happy. So you will see the instruction pack inside, which I'll get into that later. But that's what the pack looks like. It is so beautiful, you guys. It's so beautiful. So at the back of the box, it has all the instructions and then the description for each product, but I'm not going to get into that. I'll be doing like a follow-up video on how to establish a skincare routine using this set. See, the set of my complexion, we are a match made in heaven. So yeah, I'll be doing a follow-up video on how to establish a routine using these products, and then later on, probably by the end of the month, I'll come back with my review because I have to. So the first one I'm going to be taking that my eye is looking at is this particular one, is the Vitamin C Facial Cleanser, and this was the one. Yeah. This was the one I was using a lot in my previous skincare videos and also in my skincare routine because I really love it. It's very good. This is not a product review, so let me just take my time, but this is what I was using, and I can say right now that this is a very good facial cleanser. The next one I will see, I'm picking, this is the Vitamin C Brightening and Anti-Aging Essence Toner, and this is what it looks like. The bottle is huge. Look at it in the palm. It's like 100 ml. Yeah, this 100 ml because the same size as my my face and body nectar. This is a 100 ml bottle, and what I love, you guys. So I sell skincare products. I make skincare and I sell skincare products as well. And I use a glass dropper bottle, but I have never come across a glass dropper bottle with a cover. So this is really interesting. So this is the Essence toner. I don't really use toners because there's this school of thought that most people don't really need toners. So I have a number of toners, but I never used it. But I'm really excited to use this one, and it contains niacinamide. It seems all of them, okay, this contains niacinamide, which is vitamin B3, and all of them contain hyaluronic acid as well. So it's going to be a very, very hydrating, nourishing, moisturizing, brightening, elevating, establishing product. I'm excited, I cannot help myself. And the next thing I'm picking out is the cleansing milk. So it has two cleansers inside. It has a cleansing milk, and then it has the I think that's the foaming cleanser. Oh god, people, I'm so excited. This is the cleansing milk. Let's focus. Yeah, this is the cleansing milk. I'm so happy. So I'm guessing this set requires you to do double cleansing, which is very, very necessary, especially if you're someone that wears makeup a lot. So I'm guessing this is a milk, so it's going to be like a milky consistency. It also has the plastic cover over the dropper, which is very interesting. And the next thing I'm going to be picking is the face serum. I've been waiting to use a serum for the longest of time. I've been using my face and body nectar as a serum, but I wanted another something. You know, I'm so obsessed with skincare. Like majority of my money goes into skincare. It's that bad. So but my body is still like. Anyway, so this is the vitamin C serum, and that's what it looks. I think this is about 50 ml. Yeah, I think it's about 50 ml. Yeah, exactly. I'm so good. This is about 50 ml. This is 50 ml. It contains hyaluronic acid, anti-aging, brighten, firming, repair, protecting, evens, and improves skin elasticity, which is very, very important, especially for my stage now, because of the fine lines I'm getting around my eyes as a result of stress, as a result of motherhood and every other thing. So I'm very, very excited to use this serum, in addition to my face and body nectar, of course. And the last thing you find in this pack is the vitamin C face cream. The face cream, I never used it. Okay, it's not focusing. I'm trying my best, but it's just not focusing. But this is what the face cream looks like. I never tried this initially. It was just the face cleanser I was using, and I can vouch that the face cleanser is amazing. So I can imagine what the face cream is going to do. So this is what the box looks like. Again, it's so beautiful. I wish I could just leave this open in my dresser and like not use it, but I have to use it because I pay for it. I pay for delivery fee, I pay for e-levy. So this is what the package looks like. It is a five-piece set, which is so good for anti-aging, brightening, toning, and so many things that I'm really, really excited to try out. One thing I'm going to be saying is that the packaging is very, very attractive. It is so bright, and I just love how it looks like, and the use of the orange, yellow, and white just makes the entire package very, very catchy. And also the products are in very, very durable package. The glass is very durable. You can tell that it's a really strong glass. It's not the kind of glass that can easily break, and the fact that it's a see-through for you to be able to see what is inside, to kind of have an idea of what the product is going to feel like on your skin, is a really, really good thing. So I'm really excited to use this pack, and I'll be coming back with my routine and also my product review on if you should try this product if you're looking to start a skincare routine. So I got this pack for 180 Ghana cedis from Mercy and Favor Cosmetics. They deliver anywhere in Ghana. I don't know if they ship abroad, but I know that in Ghana they deliver everywhere. So if you want to try one for yourself, you can contact Mercy and Favor Cosmetics. I'm going to leave their Instagram handle on the screen. They're on Instagram, I think they're on Facebook as well, and you can just contact them and then get one for yourself. So that is it for my unboxing video. I'll be coming back again with an established skincare routine for anyone that wants to try this product, and then later on I'll be doing my product review. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.